Hello everybody and welcome to Yippee Toys. Today we'll be opening this just like home cash register. I've done one review on this before a little while ago, except just like this one, except this one is pink, the other one was blue. So we're gonna open this one up and check it out just like we did the blue one. So let's go ahead and get it outside of this box. Okay, so the box is open, obviously. We get this pink cash register. We can turn it on and off. And when we push the buttons, it makes the sound like this. And then when we push this button, it opens up the cash register where we can put the money in the cash register, the money that we got in the playset. We get $20, $10, $5, $5, $1, and $1. We can place it in here, and we also got some coins. 10 cents, 10 cents, 25, 25, 5, 5, 5, and 5. We can place those right here. And then we can close the cash register again. Now, we get this charge card. It says just like home on it. And we also get this cute little pink basket filled with groceries. We get some milk, a soda pop, a can of tomato soup, and a sardine. And here we can place our groceries and then slide them before scanning them. Now we can manually type in the price, or we can use the scanner, which I think is way more fun, and scan our groceries. So let's get started. First, let's place our groceries into our basket. Bring it over here and put them on. And now, oopsie. And now we can slide, and they're ready to be scanned. Starting with the soda pop. Okay. Soup, milk, and a sardine. But I think this is just not enough groceries, so I'm going to also scan these groceries. This basket and these groceries came with this other cash register that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago, I think. It's just like this one. It's blue, only that one came with this pink basket and a purple handle, and it came with same groceries: soup, milk, soda pop, and a sardine. Okay, and then we can slide that over. There we go. And now let's scan them. Okay, and it turns out to be $100. And today we're going to be paying with our credit card. So let's go ahead and slide that. I love the sound that it makes. Let's slide it one more time. Fun! And now we can click total. And that's it! Our groceries are all paid for. This set is also super fun. And these baskets are so cute because then you can stack them. Let me go ahead and bring the other cash register next to this one so you can see that they're exactly the same, except only it's different colors. Okay, so here they are. This is the one I reviewed and opened for you guys a couple weeks ago or a week ago or something like that, a few days ago. And it works exactly the same as the one we just opened right now, the pink one. And the scanners are even the same. See? super cute, right? They're only different colors, obviously. Well, I think they're both super fun to play with. They're super cute and they make such realistic sounds. I even got 2 credit cards. So here's the credit card we got in this set. And here's the credit card we got in this set. As you can see, they're exactly the same. I do hope you like this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.